Hello beautiful people, this is Lady Shine. Today I am in a Sultan Bank at Midpur, and honestly the experience was totally worth it. As soon as we sit down, we all decided to try their kachi biryani and burhani. And from the very first bite, wow, their kachi is on a whole different level. The long grained basmati rice had the perfect texture and the aroma was amazing. Meat was so tender that it literally melted in the mouth, juicy, well cooked, and perfect spiced. The potato tasted heavenly soft, flavorful, and honestly felt like melting my heart. The borhani was refreshing and balanced the heavy meal beautifully. If you are a kachi lover, you have to try it.
লক্ষ বছর ঘুম আসেনি জল জটেনি ঠোঁটে তুমি আমার পেটে মারলে লাথি রাগ হবে না মোটে আমি ফুল ফোটাবো না ফুল ফোটাবো কোনটা তুমি চাও